Hello children, how are you? How are you today? I am well, I am good. What about you? Welcome first standard students and their parents. First standard students, today is our first lecture. Today's our topic is English. First I want to introduce our first standard English textbooks. See, this is our first standard English school textbook cover. English Balbharti standard 1. Okay. Dear first standard little friends, this is our English textbook and our first poem in our first unit. It's a happy song. So let's start our lecture. Today I only sing this song. Okay? You only listen carefully first when I sing this song. Okay? Clap, 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 clap your hands. Clap your hands together. Clap, clap, clap. Clap your hands. Clap your hands together. Tap, tap, tap. Tap your feet. Tap, tap, tap. Tap your feet. Tap your feet together. Walk, walk, walk. Walk around. Walk, walk, walk. Walk around. Walk around together. Jump, jump, jump. Jump around. Jump around together. How is this song? Dear little friends, nice? Students, again I repeat it. You only listen. I sing this song. Okay? I sing this poem. Clap, clap, clap. Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. Clap your hands. Clap your hands together. Tap, tap, tap. Tap your feet. Tap your feet together. Walk, walk, walk. Walk around. Jump, jump, jump. Jump around. Jump around together. Yes, children, you enjoy it? Okay? In this first lecture, it's sufficient. Okay? So I stop it and next lecture we continue this song sing with a action. Dear little friends, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. We'll continue this poem in next lecture. Thank you for watching. See you again. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day.